In this video, I will show you how to clear Bing search history on Microsoft Edge. Let's follow these simple steps. First, click on the three lines in the top right corner. Now go to Search History. Scroll down and view your search activity. You can delete items manually, one by one, by clicking the Clear button. Or you can delete the complete search history at once. For this, click on the Clear All button. You must be signed in to your Microsoft account. Click on the Verify button and sign in to your account. After signing in, click on Clear All to remove everything. These are simple steps you can follow to delete your history. Thanks for watching.